I used the answer to grade this video, but this is not sponsored. They provided me with a limited access to test and review. No money was exchanged. Video for today, since I use the A1 and a lot of Sony cameras, isa sa mga annoying things that I encounter with using this camera is that I do videos, I do photos, and I have a lot of bags. Nakoy usa ka bag para sa akong camera wherein I just have to jam the camera in, and mga igo ang mga viewfinder cup, which is that one. So mga igo siya, and what happens is that magisi siya, magisi. By the way, before anything else, yeah, it's gloomy, it's windy. Sorry if it's windy sa microphone. I just didn't have time to set up inside, and I want to film outside here. Yeah, ganina napay sunset, but now it's really so bad. So yeah, just deal with it because I want to make this video now. But anyway, that's it. Also, I'm not sponsored anyway. I don't script this. I'm just putting my camera up here and just film myself. So you know. So back to what I was saying, kanisha, so back to what I was saying, kanisha, you see this is the viewfinder, and usually dali siya maguba. This one here, ako na siyang giglue. So inigbutang nimo sa imong i-jam nimo sa imong bag, masagyad ni siya, magisi ning rubber. Rubber is good for kanang magga-glasses ka and you wanna like look into the camera viewfinder. But this one here, kani bago rin akong ibutang, tanawa, nagisi ng rubber, see at the back, nagburot-burot, hindi siya makita, nagburot-burot, you see that there. And then what happens is, inigjam ni mo, kita ka ng mga ligin-ligin, muna siya ang mga part na naka-hold sa rubber, yung mga gisi ang rubber, so when you put it in, it just rips the rubber, so it's just that. So it's kind of annoying, and yeah, that's what I hate about it. So I was trying to find ways to like get this thing nawala ko sa mic na naisilingan nagtanaw. So I was trying to find ways to like look for one that can replace my camera that's gonna look good, because kung kani siya maguba bati kita tanawon ba, and also I don't want my camera to look look bad kung ako siya nagtangon. So what happens when I remove this from my camera? This happens. This is what's gonna happen. It's not focusing my eyes. Okay, this happens. Muni siya ang naong kung imutong tangtangon sa camera. And then the thing is, it's gonna show this one, the diopter thingy, kadang para makafocus ang imong glasses or yung mata. And then this one here, maduol ang glass. And bottom line is, it just looks ugly. So I don't want it to look like this. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to find ways to cover this. Like, one of the things I did was like nagpalit ko daghang eyepiece, but they keep on getting destroyed, they keep on getting obliterated. So what did I do? Search some more. Ato kong AliExpress, nangita ko, and I found this. So this one looks the same as that katong rubber nga eyepiece, but it's not rubber. It's made of like 3D printed plastic, or sinsya na sa hangin kayo. Hangin siya. I hope delay, but yeah, it's windy. But anyway, this one here, I just got this, and it's hard plastic. You can see dili siya mo kuan, dili siya mo pilo. And what it does is it covers the part there, and it looks OEM. It looks like how it is supposed to be. At the same time, di na ko magsigig ilis o ginani, because the thing is dili siya dali maguba. The only thing with this one is it's hard. Kung naka-glasses ka, if you're gonna put your eyes there, murag mo rub imong glasses so dili siya mo seal. But the thing is, I don't really need it, because I don't press my eyes closer to this screen or this viewfinder. And yeah, my glasses ko, I don't really push it. I don't really need the rubber. I just want it to look good and also to protect the plastic. So muna akong ibuhat. Anyway, you can buy that thing at AliExpress. Not sponsored anyway with AliExpress, but yeah, it's good to know. I found out about it. I'm excited. I've used this once. I'm gonna use it for more, and if there's any bad things that I get from this, I'm just gonna feedback. But yeah, you have to know na dili siya pareha sa original na ang original kay naa siya hindi mo focus. Ang original kay naa siya murag rubber, plastic na lock. Kato siya kay murag hard plastic. You just jam it there and it clicks na siya murag hooks, and yeah, it just works. Again, I'm not sponsored anyway. Just want to share to you guys what I found out, and hope it's some use to you. At the same time also, kung bago mo nga rin sa channel, just enjoy my stuff, my craziness, and my nonsense content. Like and subscribe. You know what to do.